Today I want to speak about an organization that I'm involved with. Okay, this is how it works. Let's say you're doing a social studies unit and wanted to go ahead and include Aurelia. Or you were doing science and you wanted to include microscopes in that lesson. But your school, your district doesn't have these items. So what do? 3 years ago, when I first got my classroom, I discovered that a large portion of my check was going into making sure that I had the classroom set to establish standards and making sure that the students were actually learning. At that same time, I was also trying to find ways to include parents. That's when I discovered Donors Choose. Donors Choose is a nonprofit organization that helps teachers like me create projects that are specific to our students' needs. Let's take a look at a completed project. This one's called Let's Get Moving. This first section shows who will be using the supplies, their ages, and how the requested items make an educational impact. My goal was not only to improve coordination and movement, but also to promote social skills and instill a lifelong love of exercise. Donors Choose allows teachers an opportunity to coordinate community involvement with student need. It allows me an opportunity to make a positive impact on my community. Thank you.